Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone and clearing a well-lit workspace. Use a hair dryer on low heat to soften the adhesive. Hold 6-8 inches away and move continuously so glass doesn't overheat. Once warmed for about 30-60 seconds, use a plastic pick or guitar pick at a corner to create a small gap. Work gently to avoid cracking. Make sure to apply tape over the camera and edges to catch any shards, and have microfiber ready to wipe residue as you lift. Once you have an edge, peel the privacy screen slowly at a shallow angle. Steady force prevents sudden breaks. If the filter tears, reheat that area and continue from a stable section. After removal, inspect the glass. Dampen a microfiber with isopropyl alcohol and wipe in circular motions to lift adhesive. For persistent spots, apply short bursts of heat and a small amount of adhesive remover on a cotton swab, then immediately wipe clean. Make sure liquids never pool around. Finish by polishing the screen dry with a clean microfiber cloth and inspect under angled light for streaks or residue. Once done, power the phone back on and test Touch and Face ID to confirm no sensors were impacted. If you plan to install a new protector, clean with an alcohol wipe, then let fully dry before applying. If touch issues or cracks appear, try a restart. If problems persist or adhesive won't release, seek a repair shop to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.